Hi guys, it's Dahario 18 and it's March 31st, 2019, and yes, I have a new addition to my collection. This is a Frigidaire 8000 BTU R22 window air conditioner. I got it at the Perkiomanville sale for $1. Nobody wanted it, but I decided to give it a shot, and I did get it, so. Serial number unfortunately got worn off, but Electrolux major appliances. 8000 BTUs, 10.8 EER, 7 amps, 740 watts. That is a 115 volt unit. Now for comparison, my GE is right there. And I'll scoot them up next to each other. Or at least I can, here. So, if I put you down there, scoot them up next to each other. This thing is not that big compared to my GE is a little bit thinner than most units, but it's very close to the same size. It's got the blue coil too. But it is very close to the same size. But now I'm just gonna move this back out of the picture. Okay. Here's the controls panel. So yeah, I'll get it plugged in ready. So it's plugged in now. You can see that the traditional Frigidaire type vent directions. Now let me see. Now, it's not warm enough in here for it to turn on by default, but I'll get it to here. So we'll turn on the control panel. Don't think the compressor is running yet, but the compressor is very, very quiet. Very, very powerful. What can I use? Shirt, for example, it's a very heavy shirt. Nah, it's a bad example. Oh, here we go. There. Like, that's pretty good compared to that would be good. I'm gonna check the temperature. Alright. I'll go to the controls panel. So, basically you have your temperatures here. Temperatures, and you just turn the fan up, turn the fan speed up, turn the fan speed down. You have your filter indicator, and for a certain amount of hours that comes on, check it. The filter in this unit was jam-packed, wasn't getting any airflow. Then you have your timer here, and the auto temp. So what that basically does, it sets the correct fan speed for the temperature that you have set to. The three modes with cool, energy saver fan, and sleep function. That thing takes a while to enable its compressor, so I'll come back when the compressor is running. See if I'm gonna be able to get the start up. perfect. I think that's on high. I think it's actually kind of loud when it's on its max setting. Fan motor. Look how tight it is in there. Like the compressor, it's all packed, very tight. Pretty much the only open space in the entire thing. That's how. Oh, it's very bright. Very bright. Wait, let that reset it. It's already pumping heat, and there's so much air coming out of the neck too. I think because I cleaned it. I made a bubble maker out of this thing, and it does pretty good. But it's just, it's so small. It's an 8000, it's cute. It's got a, I think it's got an LG compressor. I'm not sure. Capillary tube wrap is nice. That's a nice filter dryer. It's cool inlet. Who likes it? Wait a minute. Oh, wait, hold on. Hey, the capillary tube literally comes out and then just keeps going. And then there's another one that just does the capillary tube wrap and then it keeps going. Up there. Okay. Then there's a sticker. It needs screws. There's a Frigidaire logo. And these side curtains are pretty big, so this thing can fit in the big window. That's running on medium. I mean, that was on high. This is medium. And then low. And it does make a beep every time you change it. So. Yeah. That was my, Frigidaire 8000 BTU window AC. Okay, see you later. Bye.